Welcome to driver training. Today we're going to deal with trench lock taking the third exit. But before we do, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. On approach, the direction you'll receive is follow the road ahead, take the third exit on the left. So our first question then is, well, which lane is that? Well, if we look at the board on the left, we see that we've got 3 lanes, 2 of which go straight ahead. So we're going to go into the middle lane. Where's that? Again, we can see a left, a middle and a right lane at this point, so we know where we're going. Also, the road marking confirms this is the lane for straight ahead. As we come down, we have the road marking on the floor and the sign on the right which tells us middle lane is straight ahead. As we look to the left, we can see exit number 1. Remember, we want the third exit. Now as we come round the bend, we look further ahead and we notice 2 things. First of all, exit number 2 is on our left, but also our lane now widens into 2. Of course, choice of 2 lanes, always left. But the fact we've just passed the exit number 2, we know we need to be in the left lane to take exit number 3. So we stay in this left lane and we follow it. We just need to be careful that we don't drift or cross that white line, because as you can see, cars do come close to each other at this point. And this is the third exit on the left. So I hope this has helped you to understand it more. Please leave us a comment, let us know what you think. My name's Chris, thanks for joining us. Drive safe, we'll see you soon.